Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you some easy tricks inside TikTok settings that can help you get more followers, likes, and views. It's completely free. If your TikTok followers aren't growing fast enough, this video is for you. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your TikTok. Then next, just head over to your profile page like this. So make sure you already logged into your account. And then just tap on three lines icon on the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Most people don't realize how important these settings are, but a few small changes here can actually make a big difference to your account reach. Next, just go to privacy, and then if your private account option is turned on, just switch it off like this. This will make your account public so more people can find and follow you easily. And then next, just go back and then scroll down until you find free app space, this one. And then just tap clear on both options to delete cache and temporary files like this. Like this. This will help TikTok run more smoothly and improve the performance when you upload the videos. After that, just go back again and then just scroll down until you find report a problem, this one. And then in the search bar, just type like this. And then on the first result, just tap on it. And then tap yes. Go back again and then on the fifth one, this one. And then just tap on no. Doing this way will refresh your account engagement settings and it can help boost your visibility on TikTok. And then next step, just go back. Make sure you post your video at the right time. To find your best posting time, just open TikTok Studio, this one. And then go to analytics. And then just tap on fewer steps. And then just scroll down until you find most active times sections. In here, you will see what time your audience is online the most. For example, on my account, the most active time is between 12 a.m. until 1 a.m. So just check your own data and post around your audience peak hours. And okay, that's it. Just follow this step and you will start seeing your followers grow much faster. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.